everybody. Here we are on location in Cherry Hill, New Jersey for this week's Ask Ron. We're at the Quick Start Real Estate School. This is day number 4. And surprise, surprise, Ron Legrand is here to do his Ask Ron questions. Ready, Ron?
I'm ready if they got some good questions.
Question number 1 is from Tony and Angie.
Who else?
Ron, when setting up the 4 LLCs, do you recommend using separate banks for each entity to further isolate risk and keep clean accounting, or is it sufficient to use one bank with multiple accounts? Any benefits to one versus another from a relationship building
I
standpoint?
give you pros and cons of each, but I don't think it really matters. What does matter is that you don't have a loan at one bank and deposit money in your personal account in that same bank. You want to split those up because if for some reason you're not making the payments on time, they can literally take money out of your personal account and apply it toward the loan.
Okay. Question number 2 is from Robert in Oregon.
Okay?
Hey Ron, do you plan to come to Vancouver, BC to give a Quick Start seminar anytime soon? People up here would love to have you lecture to the masses.
I'm not sure what his point is. Yeah, I'm coming to LA in what month?
November.
Okay, I'm doing a boot camp in LA in November. That's the only time I'm going out west like that. But if you're with a group and you do seminars and so forth, you need to call my office or me and discuss that. Because I've got a lot of students in Canada, I really do. The biggest boot camp I ever had was in Calgary in 2008, 460 people in it.
That's right.
It was a sea of people.
We had a great time. We love going to Canada, but we need to have people.
Right.
The next question and the final question is from Phil and Cindy Salazar
Hey,
in Texas.
I remember them.
Yes. The seller wants to cancel his listing, which has been on the market for over 200 days.
Uh-huh.
The lender has approved a short sale. Can an investor, after the cancellation of the listing, come in and buy it on a wrap or a sub-2?
After the cancellation of the listing, you can do anything you want. Realtor no longer has anything to do with it.
Okay.
And all you need is an email from the realtor that they're canceling the listing.
Yeah, because he said, or is it now in the hands of the lender and too late to get the loan current to purchase?
Well, I don't know. Don't
Since
know
it's
the
a
rest
short
of the
sale.
math. But if they've already approved a short sale number, I'm not sure how that's going to help you guys any, because that number is nowhere near what you're going to want to pay cash for the house. But if you have a buyer lined up, perhaps, first you got to have the property under contract. If you have a buyer lined up and that short sale amount is low enough to leave you some profit, then you might want to go that way, but that's the only time that's of any value.
That's the final question for this week's Ask Ron on location.
What's wrong with you guys? That's all you got this week?
Yeah, they better step it up for next week.
You better. I better get to my Quick Start school as well. The rest of them is going to be in Jacksonville, except Los Angeles this year. We just got through with one, and we're in New Jersey, and you know what that makes me think? You know, why am I going all over the country to do these things? You guys come to Jacksonville, come to our office, eat our food.
Sit in our chairs.
And good weather is always guaranteed.
That's right.
Inside the building, anyway.
Yeah.
All right, see y'all next week.